How to log out of Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to log out of Facebook. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Facebook app. Once you have done that, simply open the Facebook app and then go to this menu found on the lower right corner of the screen, or if you are using Android, click on Menu on the upper right corner of the screen. Once you are here, what you're going to do is to simply scroll down to the bottom of the page until you can see the Logout button right here. So simply press on Logout and then it will automatically log out your account. So again, just a recap, make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. And then once you have updated your Facebook app, open it and then go to Menu on the lower right corner of the screen if you are using iPhone, or on the upper right corner of the screen if you are using Android. And then, once you're on Menu, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Logout found on the bottommost part of the screen. So that's it. That's how you can log out of Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.